Hi, my name is Serwesh. A few days ago I earned a certificate on deploying machine learning model using Flask. So today I would like to share with you how this is done. For this video I won't be using a machine learning model, instead I will be using a survey form to collect data from user, and write the gathered data in a CSV file present in my device. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to understand the structure of the files for this project. You will have to make a project folder in device that will contain all the files related to this project. Any file outside this folder is unusable. In project folder we will have a pp.py file, two folders named template and static. Templates folder will contain HTML file for the project, static folder contains CSS file for the project. Additionally, I have a data.csv file that will store all the data gatherer using survey page. Now let's take a quick look at the HTML file and then we will move to Python file. So this is HTML code for simple survey page. You can even generate this code using AI. I have already made videos on using AI for code generation. You can access those video from description. The survey gathers name, email address, age and city. Now let's look at the Python file. If you are someone who is already familiar with Python language, this is a pretty straightforward code. Firstly, we import Flask library to use Flask CSV to read and write our CSV file. We also import OS module because OS module allows you to perform various operations like creating, deleting, and renaming files and directories, setting file permissions, retrieving information about the file system, and much more. Firstly, we initialize our CSV file, then we render our HTML file. Once all the details are filled and submitted, the data is appended in CSV file, and a thank you page is presented. Before running this code, take a look at the CSV file. It only contains the name of the fields that are present in the survey form. To run this project we will need to run the Python file instead of running the HTML file. This is because to support Flask, the project need to be run in localhost environment. If we only run the HTML file, we will get error at submitting the form. Now if I hit run button in Python file, we can see that file is initialized, and when we open the localhost link, we are in the browser with our program running. You can see that the program is running in the localhost environment. Now let's fill our data and submit the form. For test purpose I am filling fake data. We are presented with a thank you screen. Now let's check our CSV file that our data is appended or not. As here we can see that our data is appended. This means that our project is working correctly. Now by understanding basic concept of deploying a web page using Flask, you can create your own pages and websites. Possibilities are endless if we keep working. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share with others.